Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch from Aolon, the Watch Mars R3. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, we have here a new product from Aolon, their Watch Mars R3. And guys, this is the box. As you can see, Aolon really never fails us with their packaging. It's really great. Alright, so let's open this one guys. So upon opening the box, we have here another box. So I really like because they really make an effort for their product. Okay, and we have here the strap guys. Here it is. And we have here their charging cable. Okay, magnetic. Okay, what else? So we have here the uh, manual. So if you have any questions, you can check on the manual. And voila guys, we have here our watch or the Mars R3 from Aolon. Let's check this one. We at the back, so we have here the sensors and the charging pins, and we have here the crown, and we have here another button, and on the left we've got here, I think this is the speaker grill. So let's turn it on. Okay, so we have here the Aolon branding. Okay, and we have here watch faces. When you check on or try to move the or when you try to uh, manipulate the crown. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we've got 8 watch faces guys. So let's try to check there um, the features. So when you scroll down, so we have here the different icons and the different shortcuts. Okay, that's when you scroll down, and then when you swipe up, so we have here the notifications, and we have here the different features. Okay, so we also have here daily activity, heart rate, the sensors, so as you can see. Okay, so it's lighting guys, the heart rate, workout, SpO2, sleep, breathing. Then we have here the stress, alarm, measure weather, notifications, music, stopwatch, calculator, search, find phone, remote shot. We also have here female health. And by the way guys, our Aolon Watch Mars R3, it has 1.3-inch AMOLED 46 by 46 HD large screen. It also has alloy material and precise scientific sleep, real-time heart rate, blood oxygen, HD voice call, and also always on screen display. So when you, as you can see guys, it has already AMOLED. So it really gives you that premium looking yes, a feeling. So as you can see there, so we have here, it looks really bright. Actually guys, the flicker is just because of my camera. In the real time right now, there's really no kind of like a flicker on the screen. It's just on my video guys. So it is really nice and clear, and I've actually used this one guys for a couple of weeks, and all I can say is that this Mars R3 is really great. I don't know, like, I have been a fan of Aolon products. They never failed me yet. So if you want, if you're gonna ask me if there's a brand here in the Philippines that I can recommend, then I can totally recommend you the Aolon brand. It's really I don't know, like the feature and also the quality, it's really nice, and you can really make it really makes you feel that they're not just selling a product, but they're giving you a quality product. Yes, but also at an affordable price. Yes, so guys, I think if you ask me if the Aolon product and this Mars R3 is great, and all I can say is it's a yes, guys. So I've never really promoted a specific brand on our channel, but right now I can say that Aolon here in the Philippines, it's really great. And yes, guys, it's also an affordable product. So guys, if you have any questions with our Mars R3, just comment down below. And if you like this uh, video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.